Embark on a fascinating journey into the intricate world of mechanical clocks. Trace the evolution of mechanical clocks from ancient devices to modern masterpieces. Explore the power sources that drive these intricate mechanisms, be it a mainspring or weight. Dive into the gear train, the series of interconnected gears that transfer energy and control speed. Uncover the ingenious escapement mechanism that regulates energy release and ensures precise timekeeping. Explore the pendulum's crucial role in regulating the clock's motion and maintaining accuracy. Discover the display indicators that visually represent the passage of time with artistry. Examine the additional mechanisms that enhance the functionality and charm of mechanical clocks. Marvel at the craftsmanship and artistry that goes into creating these mechanical marvels. Explore the enduring appeal and cultural significance of mechanical clocks in the modern era. Ponder the future of mechanical clocks in a world dominated by digital technology. Appreciate the beauty and engineering marvels of mechanical clocks, timeless treasures that captivate us. Explore further resources to deepen your understanding of these fascinating timekeeping marvels.